at the entrance to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. And we're gonna take you from the entrance to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg to a roller coaster, the yellow roller coaster named, I'm gonna give you walking directions there. I lost my mind right now, but we're gonna get you see the title. So what you do first, there's a three-way split. You can go right, left, or straight, and we're gonna continue straight. Just follow our lead. Here we go. We're taking on you on the Loch Ness Monster. Very old coaster here. So we're gonna take you through a POV. We got the walking directions. We just go straight, basically. And we'll see where we get in here. Monster. Loch Ness Monster. All right, we got Loch Ness Monster 5.3K. Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Here we go.
I can't even raise one of my. I can only raise one.
I can't really put your hands up on this ride.
Huh?
Can't really put your hands up. I can.
Morning, you team. Welcome. We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Messi found them. We're trying to find out what's left on George's board. The log says they're heading for a cave near the edge of the loch, but you could be lucky anywhere.
This is an old school coaster. As you can see by that. Slow right now. Ah, here we go.
Why do you have to say it so slow? I'm kind of scared.
Yeah. Oh, you kind of throws you around. Look at this. Looks interesting. I got up there. Drop coming. Should have done it with this.
I cannot be able to have children. Oh, I'm not going to be able to.
Good coaster.
I'm ready for you,
So that's why it's way over here. That was Loch Ness Monster, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, summer 2025. POV with walking directions. We're going to get you into the station.